Alright, YouTubers, I think the best way for me to ring in the new year might be getting this sucker ready. Open it up. And a Gene Case Pasty. And I have found that these and the NuWave Mini, which I've shown before, take about 65 minutes. Right? Cook time. 65. Start. And away it goes. Nothing fancy. Alright, it's about halfway done. Yeah. Alright, it's in the last minute. Gene Case Pasty, Vin. I know, brother. Nothing's wrong, it's just rattling. See? It's all good. I'm gonna break a rule of mine and I'm gonna use a paper plate. Yes, I am. Alright. As such, paper plate. Bingo, bingo. Oh, that pasty looks awesome. It's gonna need to cool. Ooh. This shows color better than the GoPro. Alright, I don't know if you call it cooking, but here's a wonderful Gene Case pasty. Look at the heat coming out. Look at that sucker. Woohoo! Steaming, steaming, steaming. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. Oh, I can't wait. Yeah, hold on. And Gene Case sauce. Good stuff. Oh, it's very hot. That's good eating. Time for the flyover. Dun, 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 dun. Have a great and wonderful day. Alright, YouTubers. We're going to make cookies. Really easy cookies. There's banana. I'll put banana in there. We're going to cut said banana up. Alright. We got a second banana. And put that banana in there. Okay. Seriously, this is super easy. Alright, we're gonna cut this one up. I don't know if it could be any easier. I'm not sure where I saw it, but there's 2 ingredients to these cookies. Now we've cut it up. And we gotta fork it. So we're gonna smush it. And if you had a blender would be awesome. I'm in the RV. I don't have a blender. So let me smush these up and we'll come back. Alright, and that's smushed up. And now it takes about a cup and a half of unsweetened coconut. Shredded. My measuring cup's in here, but I'm not gonna bother. Again, we're shooting for about a cup and a half. So these are like 2 of my favorite things, so when I saw it, I'm like, this would work for me. I don't know about you, but that looks like plenty. Oh, relax. I know there's some that just can't do that. It's got to be precise. I'm probably over. But hey, if you like coconut, it's a good thing. So now we're just going to mix this in. Stir this up real well. And we're going to do that whole thing of I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I think that's mixed pretty well. We got the NuWave Mini. Hands have been cleaned. And there we go. paper towel to wipe my hands. I'm gonna need more. You could eat it just like that if you wanted to, but we're gonna bake them. I'm gonna put the cover on, plug it in. I didn't spray that. Let's hope it don't stick, huh? Cook time, we'll do 20 minutes. And away it goes. Alright, we'll see how they turn out. We're in the last minute. They're looking good. Looking good. They're pretty simple, right? Quick and easy. See? There we go. Take the lid off them. They are hot. They firmed up nice. We'll let them sit for a little bit. And then we'll do a taste test. Okay. Let's give these a try. Stuck a little because one of the other things I forgot was Pam. But there we go. Oh man. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like banana and coconut. Fresh goodness. Awesome. Really, really good. Quick, easy. Couldn't be any easier. Have a great and wonderful day. Oh man, those are good.